Where does it come from?
I don't know. It's a man-made thing.
Say human-made.
Human-made.
Are you a slime woman?
No. Technically, the word that people should use is woman-made.
Yeah.
Not man-made, but woman-made. But the better thing going to show you my kinetic slime file. But I first got to put this away. Hard because it's been here for a while. But
What is it?
it is kinetic slime, magic sands.
What does it do?
Well, if you relax your hand and put on your hand, it is going to
Become a paratha?
no, it's going to start falling off.
It moves by itself?
That's what it's supposed to do.
Yeah.
But when you grasp it hardly like this, it stops falling. I'm not putting it away yet. There's another thing I want to show you. It's going to get hard in a little while. Then I'll take it out and put it on my hand really quickly before it starts doing it on the table. Okay, now. See, it's all falling off from this side.
Why don't you just make some atta in the kitchen? Same thing.
But the atta won't do this.
Why not? If you're nice to it, it'll do it. If you get the atta some ice cream, it will do it.
No, it won't.
Yeah. You just have to be sweet to the atta.
Stop being proud.
So that's what you spend all your money on, Kavita.
Not all. Still got thousands and tens.
You spent your money on some slime and some sand. Or you could have just gone to the kitchen and got some atta.
Atta won't do this. Atta is completely different. Look, it's
Okay.
so hard inside, but outside it just starts melting.
Okay then, goodbye for now.
Good night.